Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So the next topic is that we are trying to extract certain information, some features from the image itself. So one of the image feature is said to be something called as the histogram. Okay, histogram is to understand the image statistics. So statistics basically, there is a information that is present. There are a lot of, for example, array of values that we showed. So we want to understand how these values are distributed. For example, you heard of something like distribution, right? Probability distribution, right? You probably plot, for example, the range of values here, and then how many times each value has occurred is basically coming into this. Uh, Sorry, I will just pick up this pen. It's really rotated. Sorry, I think. Okay, so is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Trying to pick up this pen, but okay. So histograms basically kind of a way to depict the image statistics. Okay, so that one can understand by visual inspection of this graph, which we going to call it as a graph, right? It's kind of a graph. Now it shows the intensity values across the x-axis and the probability or finding a particular intensity in the picture, probability of finding it. For example, this particular value here is very high. Now the value of finding this value close to some 200 seems to be high in this picture. So 200 is maybe these regions of here, or some of the regions maybe. There are a lot of pixels which has a value 200. There are very small pixels which is highly white. So most of them is not perfect white. So similarly, there's not much of highly dark pixels, but there is a shade of so much here, combination of black and white. So you have, so it shows the frequency of how many times a particular gray value is present in the image. Okay, so it is a nice way of understanding the image by looking at the histograms.